Hello croppers, this is Christy Taylor coming to you from St. Thomas, Ontario, Canada, where I am a Creative Memories advisor and team leader. Today I want to talk to you about choosing the adhesive that is right for you and your project. I'm specifically going to talk to you about adhesive that is meant for using on intricate and delicate embellishments or borders. Specifically, today we're talking about the candy cane chain, which I used in the layout in today's virtual crop. I had the option of using either the precision point adhesive, which is a glue pen, or our repositional tape runner. I like both of these products, and they are two of my favorites that we sell. I especially like the precision point adhesive for smaller pieces and for getting into small areas. It would be actually quite ideal for putting on the back of this candy cane chain. However, I had to spread this across 12 inches to put across the full page, and I had to make it straight. So keeping that in mind, I opted to use our Repositional. Now, you may be familiar with our tape runner, in which our adhesive comes off in strips. The difference between this and our Repositional is Repositional comes off clear and it comes off in dots. And the dots help to spread across the entire surface, and they are removable. So in the case of a holy border such as this, you would be able to apply it just like you would the other adhesive by running it across, doing it as you think it's best, and then flipping it over and adhering where needed. If any of the dots are showing through the holes in your border, you can just rub them away. Now it is repositional, so should it not be where you want it, gently pick it up and move it over. Now I do want to show you what it looks like. Hopefully this will show up well on camera, where you can see how it comes off in dots. If you find that you put it on in the wrong spot, which I have done before, you can again rub it away so that it's not going to be sticky if that's not a place that you want to have adhesive. And that is my tip for you for today's virtual crop. Happy cropping!